Hollyland LARK M2 wireless lavalier microphone with USB-C going into the iPhone 15 Pro Max. To Van Dusen, Lexington, Mass. Unbox the Hollyland LARK M2 wireless lavalier microphone. Audio you're hearing is from the LARK M2 via the USB-C going into the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And we have behind the scenes recording the phone. This is the first time using the Hollyland LARK M2. So this is just a short video, unboxing and first use. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you like this type of content.